What is it now? Yes, it's the GenTent generator cover, universal generator cover, coming directly from this company to cover, weatherproof my new Duromax XP15000HXT fuel injected generator there. It should probably take all of maybe 3-4 minutes to get this thing connected. And then I can run it out if it's raining and we get power outages. So anyway, stay tuned for that. It should be super duper simple to install, and we'll see if I like it. All right, I like it already. Got a gray color. I think gray and blue goes nice. Opening this up for the first time. Yeah. All right, here we go. I'm telling you, it doesn't get any simpler than that. That is pretty darn straightforward. I want to keep the height of this away from the exhaust. We're going to do a dry fit on the tent and see how that deals with the exhaust there. I definitely don't want any melted. Fireproof canvas there. I may need to go lower or higher. I don't know. I really don't want to cut any panels of any sort. Anyway, we'll go from there. And so far, I'm impressed. Yes, it is dorky looking, but you know what? If it's weatherproof, it keeps you from getting electrocuted or your generator getting ruined, and its exhaust is safe, not gonna melt, and it breathes right, and it ventilates right, and you can refill it right. I don't care what it looks like. You could make it look like whatever. Anyway, let's test it and get it warmed up. I'm sold. I'm happy with it. This baby's not going anywhere. Famous last words. Velcro. We'll see how it holds up in the windstorm. If I really, really need it. The odds are low, but I just wanted something solid and good. It's not gonna melt. 134 bucks out the door, shipped to me. Took maybe all of 5 minutes tops to install it. It's a go. It's a good cover to get. And thanks, GenTent. Appreciate it. Just had an idea. Just let's see what 700 miles an hour of an Ego commercial leaf blower will do on the new GenTent. I want to see if this thing really will stand up to a reasonable windstorm. Here we go. Yep. I think it looks good. I don't think you can kill it. I don't think it's going to have a problem at all being out here in the weather and the wind and the mountains and the rain and snow. Thanks, GenTent. You did a good job. This is definitely a rave review. I love you guys.